Kira po, kira! 5 seconds! 5 seconds! Go, go, go! Diretso! Sige mo dyan. Nice one. Sunod lang, sunod lang. Uli, sorry! Sige ba? Wala! Walang foul. Nice cup! Angkat mo. Go! Sorry. Reto! Teka mo! Hey! Ay! Sorry! Tatay na to, bilis! Likod! Hawak! Apat na.
The score is 4-8 in favor of Team Jonal. Rebound by Jomel. Passes to Deo. Deo to Dimac. Dimac to Christian. Christian with the fake hesitation. Dimac, Alvin, Deo. Deo with the drive. Passes to Jomel. Dish out. Jomel for two. No good. Rebound. Jonal. Pass to Mappy with a fast break. Mappy versus Alvin. Mappy to Gab. Gab 2 points. Assist by Mappy. Alvin. Alvin to Christian. Christian cross court. No. Passes back to D-Mac to Alvin. Alvin looking at the line. 3 points. Not that time. Christian cleaning up the garbage. 2 points. Christian. Happy to Gab. Gab between the legs. Gab setting up the play. Shot clock is at 5. Donald, no good. Rebound by D-Mac. D-Mac to Deo. Deo for 2. 2 points. Deo. Ball back with the blue team. To Gab. The score is 10-8 in favor of blue. Gab fouled on the way up. Time remaining is 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Shot clock at 6. Jonald for the long two. Long two, no good. Rebound, Christian. Christian losing the ball at the baseline. Ball remains with white team. Deo orchestrating to Alvin, all alone for 2, no good. Rebound Paul. Paul to Jonald. Jonald crossing the half court line. Jonald pull up 2 points. Jonald. Mappy.
Sorry. Nakita yun natin.
Steal by Paul. Mappy on the drive. Gab for 2, no good. Last touch, Deo. Ball is with the blue team. Mappy to Gab. 2 points. Plus assist. Mappy.
Mag-relax ha, malayo pa.
14-8 in favor of blue. Jomel in the middle. No good rebound by Christian. Christian. Loose. Loose ball ref. Okay, ball remains with white team. Jomel inbounding the ball to Deo. Deo pass to Christian. Christian pass to D-Mac. D-Mac, alahoy! 2 points! Napakaganda namang galing sa ilalim. Mappy to Paul. Paul for 3! Not that time. D-Mac. D-Mac on the drive. Na foul. Ang oras ay 4 minutes. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Lamang ng 4 ang asul. Christian for 2. No good. Rebound by Jonald. Jonald sa gitna for 2 points. Last touch, Deo. Inbound ni Mappy, pupunta kay Gab, pupunta kay Jonald, balik kay Mappy. Ako'y napasa, naagaw ni Deo. Deo versus Gab. Deo, pinag-iisipan na yan, dalawa ng depensa, naghintay na kampe. Deo, pinasa kay D-Mac. D-Mac, pinalik kay Deo, papunta kay Jomel. Jomel for 3. Tinira. Bato. Apat po ang kalamangan ng asul. The time remaining is 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot for blue team. Gab to Jonald. Jonald for 2. Off the glass. 2 points, Jonald. Bigyan natin ng assist si Gab. Deo, nakatingin sa baba. Pinasa kay Dimac. Dimac naghanap ng papasahan. Biglang tinira. Rebound ni Jonald. Pababa na po ang Asul. Jonald, pinasa kay Mapi. Mapi, binabantayan ni Deo. Mapi, nag-crossover. Pinasa kay Paul. Paul, nag-isip ng 3. Hindi. Binalik kay Jonald. Naku, napanisan ang Asul. Napanis. Stop kasi last 2 minutes. Ayan na po. Nagkasundo na po tayo sa oras. Ang bola ay nasa puti. Deo. Rebound ni John Ray. John Ray, pinasa kay Mapi. Mapi, sabi kulang. Pinasa kay Gab. Gab, nag-drive sa baseline. Gab for 2. Medyo short. Rebound ni Deo. Deo, nag-fast break. Kapos. Masyado nasa kaliwa ang tira ni Deo. Ayan na po si Mapi. Mapi. Pinasa kay Gab. Gab. Last touch, Dimac. Ball stays with blue team. Ay. Gab, mintis ang 2 points si Gab. Pinasa kay Dimac. Dimac. Dimac versus 3. Ay. Foul daw, foul. 55 segundo ang natitira sa ating laro. Lamang ng 6 ng Asul. Christian. Tudeo. Ang next game po natin ay Team Charlie versus Team Delta. Team Charlie versus Team Delta. Jonald for 2. High bounce. Gab. 26 na segundo. Jonald for 3. Rebound. Deo. Deo, nabuta ka. Dimac, pinasa sa likod. Jomel. 2 points kay Jomel. At with 7 seconds remaining, dito na po magtatapos ang ating laro. Ang puntos ay 18 kontra 12. Ang ating panalo ay ang kupunang Asul, kupunang Alpha.